Currently using Citrix, but exploring alternatives? Perhaps the thought of migrating your virtual applications and desktops feels overwhelming, but what if the transition could be far easier than you imagine? Parallels RAS offers an architecture that's not so different from what you're using today with Citrix. You'll find familiar concepts like secure gateways and connection brokers, making the transition intuitive. There are two pathways to migration. Option 1 is the simplest approach. Just reuse what you've got. Keep your existing session hosts, those virtual machines holding your applications, and simply replace Citrix with Parallels RAS. You can install the Parallels RAS agent right alongside your Citrix VDA for easy testing. Once ready, simply uninstall the Citrix VDA using your standard methods. This reuses your current resources, getting you up and running quickly. Option 2 is building replacement session hosts. This pathway is ideal if you're taking the opportunity to upgrade operating systems, perhaps moving to new versions of Windows. It also provides an extremely easy rollback strategy, since your original Citrix environment remains untouched initially. Worried about migrating hundreds or even thousands of published applications? Don't face a manual nightmare. We have a powerful, no-cost solution, the Parallels RAS Migration Tool. This tool automates the export of your application and user filtering settings from Citrix. From there, you edit out any you don't want to migrate and import the rest directly into Parallels RAS. This is incredibly fast and scalable. Customers have migrated over 1,800 published applications in just one afternoon, with live users in under a week. It even handles published content, URLs, and what we call local apps. If you have lots of published applications, this tool is invaluable. With flexible migration options and powerful automation tools, moving from Citrix to Parallels RAS is designed to be a smooth process. Discover how easy it is to make the switch. Go to parallels.com/RAS now to learn more.